Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can get unbanned from a Discord server. It is going to be a very simple and easy tutorial. We're going to be using a VPN in order to get unbanned from a Discord server. We're not going to be using the Discord application either. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser you want and then simply go to download Opera GX browser, which is a gaming browser. Just go ahead and download this browser right over here, which comes with inbuilt VPN, as you can see. And once you are on this page, when you finally download, install and open Opera GX browser, on the top left there is going to be a VPN tab. Go ahead and click on that and finally connect a VPN. As you can see, I am connecting a VPN and I have been banned from a server, which I'm going to be pasting the invite link right over here. And then once I enter that, it should work and it will show me that I have been invited. And there you go, I just got into the server, as you can see, and my Discord app just launched automatically and I got into this. So it is going to be as easy as that. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.